You hope so? Is this your bait? Well, let's try it again. Good job. What you got there, Gav?
A fish.
Whoa.
Hey, look at my hand.
Look how big he is. Huh?
Hey, get it.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, need help.
Okay, help. Gav, what is that?
A fish.
Is that a big one?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you catch that with?
A bait.
What kind of bait?
Worm.
A worm? What color worm? Oops. What color worm did you catch him on?
Green.
A green one? Alright, well, let's throw him back, okay? Alright, Gav, show him how you catch fish. Good throw, buddy. Well, just wait a second. Better reel a little bit, see if you got one.
Not yet.
Okay, now wait a second. Reel some more, see if anything's on there. What you think, Gav? Is it on there?
I don't think there's another line.
Not yet. Not yet. Alright, reel it a little bit. Reel it some more. Reel on it, Gav. Keep reeling. You're not getting the slack out of it, buddy. Keep reeling. Come on. Yeah, reel it all the way in. We'll try it again.